Good morning, students. So today we are going to discuss about the topic adaptation. So adaptation means the presence of specific body features or certain habits which enables an animals or plants to live in a particular habitat or surrounding. So plants and animals develop some special features in their body or develop some habits to survive in their particular surrounding or in the climate. So that is called adaptation. Adaptation in Hindi we say called as anukulan. So let us proceed to the next page. What is adaptation? The process which enables organism to adjust to their environment in order to ensure survival is called adaptation. So adaptation is the process which enables organism to adjust to their environment in order to ensure survival. Like the polar bear, this how they survive in the cold areas. They have some special features. Even the penguins, snakes, camel, elephant, etc. So let us proceed to the next page. What is adaptation? Adaptation is means the growth of some special features like in the body part or a way to act to stay alive is called adaptation. So body parts like the hump of a camel, that is a special features found in a camel. A way to act like sleeping all winter, that is called hibernation. So this is called an adaptation in which the body parts grow or they grow some special habits to survive in the surrounding or in the climate. Now come to the page number 108. It is written about the adaptation on the earth. 106. Various climatic zones in different parts of the earth have profound effect, a great effect, deep effect, impact on the animals. Since animals do not build houses for protection against weather or use technology to grow desirable crops, so they only do they change. They have some changes gather in their body. Accumulate means collect or gather in their bodies that help them survive in the world. So that means animals develop some special features or develop some special habits to survive in the particular habitat or in the world. Adaptation is a process by which an animal or plant undergo alternation. Alternation means changes in the structure or function of its whole body or its parts that help them to become better fitted to survive and multiply in its environment. So, adaptation is a process by which an animal or plant undergo alternation in the structure or function in the whole body or its part that help them to become fitted to survive. Underline this line. You have learnt about different habitats and their adaptation in grade 6. However, it is important to understand that any change can be regarded as an adaptation only if an organism as well as its offspring demonstrate the particular trait means character in its subsequent generation. So generation after generation, from the parents to the offspring, that means the babies, they demonstrate the particular character. So that is also called refers as the adaptation. Adaptation thus takes millions of years and may generate many generations to come by. For example, have you seen the giraffe? There was a time when giraffe only eat the upper part of the trees of the leaf, the upper part, topmost. Slowly and slowly, the trees starts to grow and bigger in size. So since the giraffe only like to eat the topmost part of the trees or the plants, so that's why their neck also elongate, and their neck elongate and they only eat the topmost part of the tree. That's why generation after generation they have the long neck to eat only the topmost part of the tree. So that is called adaptation. So adaptation does takes millions of years and many generations to come by. So let us take a closer look at some of the animals that have become highly adaptive in different regions of the earth. So here it is written about the polar regions. Polar region means the North Pole and the South Pole. So polar regions are just at the at the 90-degree angle. So the sun rays are slanted at the poles throughout the year. So sun rays which have the least deviation. So least sun rays travels at the poles throughout the year. In fact, during March, August, the sun does not set at the north pole, while for the other 6 months, the sun does not rise. In winters, the temperature can be as low as minus 37 degrees Celsius. So let us see the adaptation by considering the examples of polar bears, penguins, and seal. So first today we will learn about the polar bears. Do you know polar bear and penguins are the literally poles apart. So polar bears are found in the North Pole whereas penguins are found in the South Pole. So polar bear lives in the North Pole whereas penguin lives in the South Pole. So come to the adaptation found in polar bears. The different adaptation in polar bears to survive and thrive on the North Pole are given as follows. So polar bear is white in color. So that is the first adaptation. They have a thick fur or blubber fur of fat in their body. So thick layer of blubber or fat under the skin to help in the insulation of heat. And they have the white fur. So under the white fur lies a black skin that absorb heat from the sun. As you know, black color is a good absorber but a bad reflector. That's why the inner part of the polar bear is black but outer part is white. Small ears to prevent the heat loss. Strong legs for swimming and running. White fur for camouflage. Camouflage is a property in which animals can change their colors and they can hide themselves to protect themselves from the enemies. So, like this polar bear, they have the white colors, so they protect themselves by going inside the snow, and that's why they are escape from the predators. So, so to defend themselves, they have the color white, which acts as a camouflage. Fur on soles of the feet for better grip and insulation also. So they have also the fur in the legs and on the sole also, so that they will have the better grip. They can easily walk on the snow. And the large feet to distribute the weight over the ice. They have the large, big feet so that they can easily walk on the ice. Sharp claws and the teeth to catch and eat prey. So these are the special structures found in polar bear. So polar bear has white color which matches with its surrounding. Number 1. Number 2, polar bear has two thick layers of fur on its body which acts as insulation of heat. Number 3, polar bear has a thick layer of fat under its skin. Number 4, polar bear has a rounded body and small ears to keep the body surface area to a minimum body weight. So this reduces the heat loss. Number 5, the polar bear has big feet to spread the weight of the body on snow, which prevent it from sinking into snow and make it walk on snow easily. Number 6, polar bear is a good swimmer. Why? Because they have the big feet which help the polar bear to swim well. So being a fast swimmer, it helps the polar bear to catch the prey like seal in water very easily. Number 7, polar bear has a very strong sense of smell. The very strong sense of smell helps the polar bear in locating and catching the prey for food. So these are the important character or the adaptation found in polar bear. So learn. That's all for today.